say I choked on the water in German?
Das Wasser verschluckte sich an mir.
Bruh! The water choked on you? What are you, a fishbone? That green owl has you out here suffocating brain cells. If you actually used AirLearn, you'd know it's Ich habe mich an dem Wasser verschluckt. Try again.
Ich habe mich an dem Wasser verschluckt.
Finally! Now go make that green owl choke on its own feathers.